Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is gonna be 4 different types of beans with lentil bacon soup. Guys, if you are tired of soup that leaves you hungry an hour later, make this one. It is a 1-pot 40-minute soup with bacon and enough veggies to count as a whole meal. And here I display the ingredients, but if you don't eat bacon, you can use sausages. It goes perfectly well. That's our vibrant and appealing components for our soup. We are starting with the shredded bacon in a pan without oil. It is going to render slowly and gets the bacon super crispy. After achieving a super crispy bacon, we're gonna transfer it to a plate and then put aside. After removing everything in that same pan, we're gonna fry the onion, garlic, leeks, celery, carrot. This is the flavor base, so don't rush your soup, guys. This is Jestina's Kitchen's loaded 4 bean and lentil bacon soup, and it is gonna be your new meal prep, guys. This soup is gonna have potatoes, carrots, leek, bacon, and 4 different types of legumes. So let's continue with the cooking. I'm now going to start with the preparation for the stock. We have 2 liters of boiled water, and then we drop in 2 vegetable bouillon and then you stir to dissolve. I have transferred the vegetables in a deep pot and then subsequently transfer the stock into the pot. And that we will let it start simmering whilst we rinse thoroughly all the beans to mitigate gas producing compounds. And red lentils is for creaminess, whilst the black lentils for bite, and that's the trick, guys. After doing all that, we're now going to the next stage, which is the beans and the chickpeas, the potatoes. This is where it gets loaded, guys. Look at that, it looks already yummy. And brought in simmer for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Walk away, let the pot do the work. While the broth is rich, the beans are gonna be tender and the bacon gonna do its work exactly what is needed to do. So let the pot do its work. We add in some dry oregano. Look at that, after the 40 minutes of simmering. We're almost there. For optimal flavor, I have incorporated half a teaspoon of dried oregano along with a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. It seems as if everything came together perfectly in this pot, guys. Upon achieving the desired consistency, incorporate the crispy bacon. Final simmer before serving. Soup's ready when you start going back for just one taste. It is thick, hearty, and finally ready for a bowl. This is the kind of soup worth waiting for, guys, isn't it? Few last stirs and dinner is served. Finish low and slow with all the flavor built in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Look at that, guys. Look at that. If you make this, tag me, I wanna see your bowl. And don't forget to subscribe for more one-pot meals that slap. It is now time to serve our creamy lentil bacon soup, guys, with 2 slices of bread roasted. Guys, it's gonna be absolutely yummy, guys. The bread is crispy and then the soup is hot with the crispy bacon. So guys, I'm telling you, guys, you're gonna bite your fingers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. This is all what I have for you today, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share to help this little channel grow. I'm aiming for 5,000 subscribers, so I need all your support and help. See you next week in another edition. Bye, and thanks for watching.